So you've unboxed your brand new P51 or P101 R-Tech Plasma Cutter and you're keen to start cutting. In this video, we're going to show you how you set up the machine using everything you got in the box. Starting with the torch, screw this into the socket labelled torch found on the front of the machine. Hand tight is just fine. Out of the box, the torch should already have consumables fitted. However, at some point you will need to change these, so we'll go through how you fit them now. Holding the torch upside down, take your electrode and screw this into the torch head. Gently tighten this down using the included tool or a set of pliers. Now take the gas distributor and place this over the electrode, and it should sit in place on a small collar found on the torch head. Place the cutting tip over the top of the electrode. Now finally secure everything in place by screwing down the retainer nozzle. Your torch is now complete. Taking your earth lead, plug this into the socket labelled workpiece found on the front of the machine. This secures in place with a simple push and twist. Now finally, take your air hose and fit this to the quick release fitting located on the back of the machine. So we've attached our torch and shown you how to fit the consumables. We've also plugged in our earth and fitted our air line. Our machine is now ready to go, and it really is as simple as that. If you have any more questions on these machines or any of the machines in the R-Tech range, feel free to give us a call or drop us an email. We're also on social media, so you can drop a message on there, and we do have a trade counter, so you're welcome to pop in. We offer a free demo on all of the machines in the R-Tech range, and more details of this can be found over on our website.